Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? I request you to take your seats. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 2 of the 23rd IBCAST Bariatric Surgery Conference. It is a pleasure to see you all back with us as we continue the exciting scientific program. Day 1 set a very high standard with outstanding presentations, engaging discussions, and a wonderful exchange of ideas. Today we build on that momentum with another full day of cutting-edge science, practical surgical insights, and expert discussions. We have an exceptional faculty and an equally stimulating program ahead of us. So let us begin another exciting day of learning and collaboration. Welcome to day 2, and let us get started. We begin day 2 with the session theme of combined procedures and special situations, a particularly relevant topic because not every patient undergoing bariatric surgery fits neatly into a standard algorithm. Patients may present with complex circumstances requiring individualized surgical planning. This session will allow us to explore how experienced bariatric surgeons approach these challenging situations. For our expert panel, I would again request our respected guest, Dr. Carlos Abril. It is a pleasure to welcome him again as our distinguished international faculty member. Dr. Carlos is a consultant bariatric and general surgeon at Cleveland Clinic, Abu Dhabi. A surgeon and a scientist, an MD and a PhD, Dr. Abril has held senior academic and clinical appointments in Spain and UAE, and is internationally respected for his work in bariatric and digestive surgery, quality improvement, and surgical education. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Dr. Carlos Abril to the panel. Our second respected panelist is Professor Atif Inam Shami. With more than 3 decades of surgical experience and extensive expertise in bariatric, metabolic, and minimally invasive surgery, Professor Shami has contributed significantly to development of bariatric surgery in Pakistan. As Professor of Surgery at Pakistan Institute of Medical Sciences, he also brings considerable experience in academics, mentorship, and surgical training. Ladies and gentlemen, please join your hands to warmly welcome Professor Atif Inam Shami. Our next panelist, it's my pleasure to introduce Dr. Fariha Ashraf, Consultant General and Bariatric Surgeon at Patel Hospital, Karachi, and RIMS Trauma Hospital. Dr. Fariha is an FCPS General Surgeon with dedicated training in minimally invasive surgery and bariatric surgery, as well as certification in integrated care of obesity through IFSO OSSI. She also has a strong academic and research profile with publications in leading international journals including Annals of Surgery and the Lancet Global Health. Her combination of clinical experience, research involvement, and interest in evidence-based bariatric practice makes her a valuable member of today's panel. Please warmly welcome Dr. Fariha Ashraf. Before we formally start our session, and I hand over it to our respected panelists, I want to remind you about the opportunity to explore MedBot robot present in our venue, and expert team is there to guide you and give you a demonstration. Please avail this opportunity to get familiar with the future technology of surgery. And now I hand over the session to our respected panelists. Thank you.